Insta360, a company known for its innovative 360-degree cameras and other creative imaging devices. The latest rumors suggest that Insta360 is gearing up to launch the much-anticipated Ace Pro 2, an action camera that's expected to push the boundaries of what we know about camera technology. The leaks are generating major buzz in the tech world, with claims that the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 will feature some groundbreaking capabilities, including 8K video recording, AI-driven enhancements, and next-level stabilization. This could potentially revolutionize the way creators shoot action-packed videos, whether they're filming outdoor adventures, sports, or immersive vlogs. The first thing that grabs everyone's attention in the rumored specs of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its 8K video recording at 30 frames per second (FPS). This would position the Ace Pro 2 at the forefront of action cameras, outpacing many of its competitors in sheer resolution and detail. But what does 8K really mean for action camera users? Well, for starters, 8K video is essentially 4 times the resolution of 4K, which means an immense increase in clarity and sharpness. One of the biggest challenges in the action camera space is ensuring stable footage, especially when capturing fast-paced or high-motion activities. According to leaks, the Ace Pro 2 will come equipped with next-generation stabilization technology that rivals, if not surpasses, the competition. Stabilization technology in action cameras has come a long way, and Insta360 is already known for delivering superior results in this department. The Ace Pro 2 is expected to take things to the next level by combining hardware-based stabilization with AI-enhanced corrections. While 8K at 30 FPS is impressive, leaks also suggest that the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 might include a 4K recording mode that supports up to 120 FPS, ideal for capturing slow-motion footage. The ability to shoot at higher frame rates in 4K will appeal to action sports videographers who want to create dramatic, slow-motion clips that still retain high resolution and fluidity. Another standout feature of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its rumored battery life, which promises up to 3 hours of continuous recording in 8K at 30 FPS. Battery life is a critical consideration for anyone using action cameras, especially when filming outdoors or in situations where recharging is difficult. One of the most exciting rumored features is AI-assisted automatic settings, where the camera adjusts parameters like exposure, white balance, and color correction on the fly. This would put the Ace Pro 2 in the $500 to $700 range, depending on the configuration and accessories. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates on the Ace Pro 2 as we get closer to its official release. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for future content about the latest in camera technology.